Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this video, I have come across a very interesting thing. So let me show it first. If you go to dialogflow.cloud.google.com and instead of CX and project, if you write V2, you will see another interface. Again, same as Dialogflow CX, you select a project that you want to work on and then select an existing agent or create another agent. But if you see here on the top left center, you will see conversational agents, which is under preview at this point. But let's see how this seems and what Google is up to. So I'll click on create new agent. It will ask for use a pre-built agent or build your own or create a Q&A agent. So I'll click on build your own. I'll say YouTube demo CA for conversational agent, and then I'll keep everything as it is. Now you see here conversational start. We can help you get started by defining how your agent will start each conversation. There is a playbook and there is a flow. So I'll choose this playbook because it says recommended. Okay, so you can see here there are kind of similar things, but we have few things like playbook, tools, a pre-built conversational history, environments, versions, integration, conversation profile, and here are examples. Okay, each playbook. Okay, enable data store, RAG acceleration. So let's see how this goes. So you can see we have playbook. So each playbook, is a kind of conversational point where, if you see here, this is default generative playback, and the goal is default goal, and it says greet the user, then ask how can I help you today. So if we click here, learn more, you'll see that a playbook is a basic building block of a generative agent, and a generative agent typically has many playbook where each playbook is defined to handle specific task, and playbook data is provided to LLM, so it has the information it needs to answer the question and execute tasks. So I hope if you have a slight experience with CX or any conversational based agent framework like essential version or Rasa or anything, you will understand that it is it can have fixed responses. But now, since the intent are going to have LLM as backend, so that it can generate response dynamically, or you can say different response every time kind of. Then there is a flow. Okay, the flow is same. We have entity, webhook, route group, generator, validation, and you create flow, you create pages, everything as it is. Then there is a tools. Okay, if you click here, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, if I click here and if I click on learn more, you'll see a tool. You can connect playbook to external system. So it's a kind of, I don't want to create a controversy here, but tool is basically structured output in JSON format. So it says that using a tool, you can connect playbooks to external system, and these system can augment the knowledge of playbook and empower them to. So for example, user says how many leaves I have. You extract the intent that user wants to check leaves, and then you can ask what's your user ID, you can get the user ID, and when these things are filled, this tool will invoke itself. So it's again same as OpenAI kind of. Okay, then if you look here, we have pre-built. Okay, we have pre-built things, allows user to renew their driver's license online and book appointment local DVM office. Retail allows you to search product catalog, receive recommendation, and place order. Let's see this. Import as agent, and I'll say retail. Yeah, you see there are so many things connected. Google Store API, manage shopping cart API, place order API, and you can see the instruction. So the first playbook is steering your shopping assistant and greet the user, blah blah blah. Okay, so if you go here, we have place order. Okay, so this, if you go to this, when you start the conversation, and if you let me toggle the, let's say, hi, yes, oh sorry, something went wrong, let's say buy item. Yeah, so obviously it is coming from somewhere, but it needs to go to somewhere, and that's why it's not able to. Yeah, but this is how. So basically it's a controlled LLM based conversations, and then there is a tools. Okay, so you can see this is the tool, and this is the open API version of defining tools. Many providers uses this. For example, a tool called DeFi, it uses this kind of thing. OpenAI supports this. Okay, and you can provide all the different things to call this endpoint to get the information when it is post response, post request, remove shopping cart. Yeah, it's a kind of a standard thing, I guess. Okay, and then there is a environments, versions, integration. Let's see the integration parts. Okay, Avaya is there, Vox implant, audio codec, Twilio is there. Oh, so couple of easy connections, Slack, conversational messenger. So I guess it seems very interesting thing. There is a debug trace as well. Okay, then there is original responses. Okay, then there is create test case, undo, replay. Yeah, these things are nice to have. So I guess there is plenty of things that I need to look into, but this seems very exciting, and I'm looking forward to working on this and building something and learning something and then sharing on YouTube as well. So I guess I hope now you are excited as well, because this is very interesting thing from Google, and when it is Google, it works well. It has features that developer wants. I hope this video gives you some insights about this new development in the conversational agent section. If you have gained some knowledge out of this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.